Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Today we are going to look at another question under inequalities. We are given that x is an integer. Write down the three lowest composite number that satisfy the inequality 2 over 3 minus 3x less than or equals to 2 times 1 minus x. Hence, draw the graph of the inequality. Now, how do we do this question? Let's write out the inequality. 2 over 3 minus 3x less than or equals to 2 open bracket 1 minus x. Now, the first thing to do now is to clear the fraction we have here. So you multiply through by the LCM of the denominator, which is 3. So you multiply this by 3, this by 3, and this one by 3. Let's do that. If you multiply this one by 3, 3 will cancel 3. So you have 2 minus, multiply this one by 3, 3 times 3x. That gives you minus 9x. Less than or equals to, so you multiply this one 2 by 3. You have 6 open bracket 1 minus x. Okay, so what's the next thing to do? We open the bracket here. So you have 2 minus 9x less than or equals to 6 times 1, 6. 6 times minus x. That gives you minus 6x. And here you can go ahead and collect the like terms. So we have minus 9x. This comes to this side. We have plus 6x less than or equals to 6. This one goes to the other side. We have minus 2. Alright, we have minus 9x and plus 6x. That gives us minus 3x. Minus 3x is less than or equals to 6 minus 2. That gives you 4. You have 4. And from here, you divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which we are actually looking for. That's minus 3. Divide both sides by minus 3. So we have x is, now, you can see we are divided by a negative number. Don't forget, the sign will change whenever we are dividing both sides of an inequality with a negative number. So we have greater than or equals to minus 4 over 3. Alright, and that's the same thing as, I can write it as x is greater than or equals to minus 1 over 1 over 3. Okay, so this is the inequality. Now, we have to look at the question very well. Now, we are told now that x is an integer. X is an integer. So, we are interested in the integer that are in this set. In this set. So, now, let's draw the graph of this so that we're able to extract the integers that are here. Okay, so we have this is 0. The first thing is to label. So we have x. This is 1, 2, and so on. We have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Now, x is greater than or equals to minus 4 over 3. That's the same thing as x is greater than or equals to minus 1.3. 1.3. So 1.3 minus 1.3 should be around this place. Right? 1.3. Okay? So we now have it this way. So you shade it. You shade the circle. This is 1.3. So you can just write it here minus 1.33. Okay? So now values of x that are greater than or equals to minus 1 over 1 over 3, they are like this. Okay, so your arrow go this way. Alright, so now you can write on it that this is the graph of x greater than or equals to minus 4/3. Okay, let us now look at the question. The values of x are integers, so we have to list out the integers that are in this set. So values of x are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. We can list as many as we can. Now, the question says, let's look at it very well. We have to draw the graph, and also we have to write down the 3 lowest composite numbers. The 3 lowest composite numbers that satisfy this inequality. The 3 lowest composite number. Now the question we ask ourselves is, what is composite number? Or what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are non-prime numbers. They are non-prime numbers, and they are also greater than 1. So example of composite numbers, they are 4. They are 4. We have 6. We have 8. We have 9. We have 10. We have 12. We have 14, 15, and so on. So these are composite numbers. So in another way, if I want to define composite number, I will say composite numbers are natural numbers that have more than 2 divisors. More than 2 divisors, because prime numbers are natural numbers that have only 2 divisors. So if it is non-prime number, that means it must have more than 2 divisors. So now we will just try and select the composite number among all these integers that we have here. So we now say, therefore, x is the set of the set we have to list. This is the first composite number. So we have 4, followed by 5 is prime number, followed by 6, and followed by 8. We have to list the lowest composite number. So, and this is the end of the question. So, I want to believe you have learned 1 or 2 things here. You can see, so simple. So, I will be giving you more examples in the next video. So, I want you to like and comment, and also